I have been. Logan's gonna do a couple ornaments now. Can you get it to stay,
Is
Logie?
it fragile?
Yeah, I'm not sure, honey.
I'm careful.
Fragile, he said.
This is fragile, but I can be careful.
Okay. Put it where Logan can't reach it then.
Can't reach it.
You got the fragile ones, Logan?
Can't reach it this side.
No, he can't. That's a good spot.
I'll put way up here.
And Mimi help you put the hook. Oh, you did it, Logie. Good job.
I can't fall.
Is that pretty?
There.
Where's the duck?
Can't reach it now. Can you still reach it?
No, that's perfect, honey.
Okay. This is
You
not
got the
fragile.
duck?
This is not fragile. You can't reach it that high.
Is that sparkly?
Hey, this is fragile.
Sparkly.
Can this one break?
Crazy.
Can this break?
Sparkly. Did you tell Rob where you live? Where does Logan live?
By my school. By school.
Where does Logan live? Hey, you live in Wheaton?
Yes,
What went down your shirt? You got itchy? Just all that spit. Your brother's very unhappy.
What's not happy me?
Sad.
Are they fragile?
They're all together.
Are they
All the ornaments are on
fragile?
one.
Are they fragile?
Let me take a look. Yes, they are.
Okay, which
This one's not fragile, so you can put that down low. You want to put the pine cone on, Logan? You put the pine cone on the tree, so you got to put the hook on like that.
Popper's my favorite. And I like poppers.
Do you? Finding a better spot for it over here? There's a pine cone, that's right. More pine cones? Help you? How about right here? Is that a good place for it? Where's all the pine cones? There's a pine cone. Are there more? Are there more? Oh, you want to pop the bubbles?
I know Logan will break that. I know Logan will break
Good,
that.
good job she's doing, Caitlin. Come over here. Look at Logan trying to pop the bubble wrap.
Wow, very nice.
Hey, I'm careful with this. I can be careful with
Did you guys my feet? Oh, I'm going to put that one very high. That's special to Mr. Ludi.
this. Yeah, I
Pine cone.
was just giving that to you.
Look, ducks.
Yes, you. And that's
Are the ducks here again, Logan? Look at those crazy ducks.
they're trying to find the food.
So many ducks. Didn't you feed them?
Yeah, that's what they're all eating.
Did you give the ducks corn? Did you give them corn? And that's the one Caitlin's going to hang up.
Hey, is this
Put it
fragile?
high. Yes. It needs a hook. Caitlin can put a hook on it for you.
Here, put a hook on for me.
Please?
Here, get one. They get tangled.
I'll put this one on.
Should we find more, Logan? You want to find another one to put on? Let Mimi find another one for you that's not too fragile. Put the hooks up on this table. You're safer.
Is that safe?
Is your shirt bothering you?
A little higher.
What was wrong with your shirt? Here's another sparkly one, Logan. You want to do a sparkly? It's like a sparkly feather. Oh, and here's a doggy. Let's let Logan do the doggy.
Are these glass?
No, that one's not glass. It looks like glass, but it's not. Logan's going to put the doggy on. You going to put the doggy on?
How do you rest? Are these all breakable?
That one's good to put down low.
Why did